Hey guys, you're watching Lightning Rocket, and in this Perler Bead tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make this really cool Perler Bead armor, which is also completely compatible with my previous video, the Drowned Zombie. Once you've made all the pieces needed to make the helmet of our armor, it's time to put it together. So first we're going to take the biggest piece, which is going to be the top of the head, and one of the side panels, and we're just going to put it in so that it makes a form of a wedge. Next we're just going to turn it around and repeat the same step. Now you're going to have two parts remaining, the smaller one and the bigger one. The bigger one is going to be the back. And making sure that the cheddar beads are facing the top, we're going to put it into the back. And finally, we're going to take the front of the helmet and we're going to push it in. And if it clicks, that means it's a good fit. And now the helmet is complete. Once you finish making all of the pieces needed to make the shoulder pads, we're going to be starting from both of these pieces. We're just going to take them and we're going to put them on top. Next, we're going to take them like this and put them into the pieces right above this. After this, we're just going to rotate them, and putting in these back panels, we complete the shoulder pads. Here are all the pieces you'll be needing to make the vest for the armor. So here is the back panel, which can be identified by the 4 white beads on the top. And we're going to take one of the side panels and putting them into here, we're going to flip it over and repeat the step. After this is pretty simple. We're just going to take the front of the vest and we're just going to pop it on. Now we only have one part of the armor remaining to make, and that's the legs. Here I've laid out the pieces you will be needing to make the legs for the armor. So also they're laid out so that we can just take them and fold them over. So we're just gonna start with the bottom row and we're gonna click it on like this. And after that, we're just gonna continue pushing it. And after this, we're just gonna put in the final piece of the leg. Now one leg is complete. Next we're going to take the top row and we're going to repeat the same way we did for the bottom row. Also make sure you've laid out the pieces correctly, as each leg is quite different. The assembly for the armor stand is pretty obvious. So we're just going to take the front panel and the bottom, we're just going to stick it in. And now we're just going to take both of the shoulder pads and we're going to put them on. And if anyone has any questions, you can always join my Discord, which is in the description of this video. Now we're gonna grab this top panel and we're gonna just stick it on top. Now we're gonna take both of these rods and we're gonna stick it right as I'm showing you. Once all the pieces of the armor are assembled, as well as the armor stand, it's time for me to show you how to put it on. So first we're just going to take off this bottom panel, and taking the first leg, we're going to slide it on. After this, we're going to take the second one and repeat the same step. Now we're going to insert the bottom panel again. Now we're going to take the vest and we're going to take off the back panel. Now we're going to just stick it over the front and we're going to close it off at the back. Now we're going to take the helmet and we're going to put it straight on top. And now we're just going to take the shoulder pads and we're going to put them right on. Now the armor is completely finished and I hope you guys enjoyed building this model. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, and make sure to join the Discord, which is in the description. And as always guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.